once again to another video, and I'm back to, this time it's a flower shop, and I've come to pick special flowers because it's celebration day. So today my baby sister is celebrating an achievement in her studies, and I'll take you along with me so you understand exactly what is going on. So before this, I'll let you know that my sister has been studying to become a nurse. She graduated early this year, and after graduation there is a ceremony that takes place before you conclude your course. So I'll show you exactly what happens so you have an idea in case you're interested in becoming a nurse in the US. She did an accelerated program because she already had a bachelor's when coming to the United States. So I came in here to pick some roses, and I picked red roses, which I'm going to take along with me as we go down to enjoy and share in the celebration. So here I am buying the roses. So it's going to be a journey of about 2 hours to the venue where the celebration is going to take place. So I'll take you along with me to the state of Maine. I hope you enjoy the ride with me and join in the celebration so you learn 1 or 2 things, get inspired, and I think so come with me as we go down to Maine. Okay, so welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Agatha, and my channel name is Agatha's_diaries, like you see on the screen. So let's get along down to Maine. Welcome.
Well, the pop stars are weeping, the rappers are crying, their platinum records gathering dust, slowly dying. 'Cause country's the flavor, the craze of the day. Even Bieber's wearing a 10-gallon hay. Oh, the rhinestone cow.
Tell me what you're enjoying along the way as we go down to Maine. What do you love to see? Do you love the trees? Do you love the buildings? Do you love the roads? Or generally you love the environment? Yeah. So this is what you see.
Used to be fiddles, steel guitars twang. Now it's synthesizers playing the countrified clang.
One thing you realize is most structures in America, or the building pattern, or generally the buildings are similar. So what you see in Boston, Massachusetts, or any other state, there is a similarity. So you can easily fit in any state. If you relocate from here to another, nothing much changes. What you find here, facilities are the same in the other states, except for a few things maybe. So here we are already in the state of Maine, Continue watching. So here we arrive at St. Joseph's College of Maine, which is a Catholic founded college. This is where the function is taking place, and it's called the pinning ceremony. So pinning is basically welcoming nursing students formally into the nursing profession. Yeah, so they do this by receiving a unique school pin. So according to, that is my young sister with me. Yeah, she's the lady of the day. So here is where they are converging. You know, studying is not very easy, especially for, you know, grown-ups at a certain age. So initially it was a big class, but eventually I think they came down to about 26 according to, yeah, I think I had something like that. Some people had to follow depending on the responsibilities, and you know, some people give up along the way. It's not an easy thing to go through. You have to really be committed, determined, focused, and really persevering. So this was a great day. It really takes someone's persistence and I would say resilience to really come to this far. So in here is where they are going to be given their pins, and here they walk into the celebration room. So they were all given white roses. Yeah, and they all dressed in white with what you see, you know, something like that red necklace or whatever around their necks, and they look so beautiful. So it wasn't a very, very big ceremony. It was just something small. Guardians had to come and witness, parents, relatives, friends. So here we were.
God, in love and mercy, you inspired Catherine McCauley to serve your son by responding to the needs of her time.
Thankful prayer. Remember, it's a Catholic institution. So that is my baby sister. This is my niece Chloe, and that is her fiancé.
She wants to thank her daughter Chloe for
Jacob.
inspiring her to return to school. She wants to give her a better life and show her the value of education. Jacob for being her constant, unconditional support toward this journey. Congratulations, Rita.
Yeah. Congratulations, Rita. So yeah, it was an hour's ceremony, and that was how it ended. So here they were taking pictures, like you see. So that was the end of the ceremony. It was basically taking pictures and more pictures. Yeah. So that is the celebrant. That is my other sister, Jennifer. And that is my niece Chloe. Yeah. So that is me. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah. So it was such a lovely day. It was a happy day, happy moments, memories. were being made. Yeah, so this was it. So one thing you have to know, when you come to these developed countries, you always have the opportunity to become what you desire to be, as long as you put a lot of effort, be positive, focus, you'll be able to achieve whatever you want to become. So here we are, celebrating the fruits of Rita's decision to take up this journey. Yeah, it was a beautiful day. The sun was all out here, so everything went well. So continue watching. I hope you're enjoying the video. You can like, share, and leave a comment. So this is the state of Maine, but we are in a city or a small town called Standish, which is out of the city of Maine, which is Portland. Portland is a city in Maine, but this is a town called Standish, just like Boston is a city in Massachusetts, the main city in Massachusetts. So here we're taking pictures and pictures. Yeah, so we had to leave the venue and we're getting back to Massachusetts, but we had to pass by for a drink, as we get back home. So this is the state of Maine, the town of Standish. This is just maybe a part of it. We just had to pass through as we went to and from the college for the function. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Continue watching as we get back to our state of Massachusetts. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. It's free. Like the video, share the video, and continue watching. Thank you.
Oh yeah, I didn't go grab that.
I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. Fields are green and that a rickety fence. Memories of love making perfect sense. The porch light glows like a beacon bright. Got me to you through the still of night. It's a long road home, but your face keeps me strong. Every bend, every turn feels like a love song. Heart's been wandering, but it's found its way to the arms that I'm running to. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. I'm here to light glows like a beacon bright. Got me to you through the still of night. It's a long road home, but your face keeps me strong. Every bend, every turn feels like a love song. Heart's been wandering, but it's found its way to the arms that I'm running to. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. Fields of green and that a rickety fence. Memories of love making perfect sense. The porch light glows like a beacon bright. Got me to you through the still of night. It's a long road home, but your face keeps me strong.